What if you woke up tomorrow and your phone was already ringing? Qualified leads who found you at the top of Google Maps didn't click an ad, didn't get referred, they just searched and you were there. That's what ranking on Google Maps for free actually looks like, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it happen in 2026. You've probably already tried this. You hired an agency, paid them $1,500 a month, waited 6 months, and your phone didn't ring any more than it did before. They sent you a report full of words that meant nothing. And when you asked why you still weren't showing up on Google Maps, they said, "These things take time." Meanwhile, the guy down the street who does the exact same thing you do is sitting in the top 3, collecting free leads every single day. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things. First, the only 3 ranking factors Google actually cares about for local search and how to optimize for each one without any technical skills. Second, a simple setup that will put you ahead of 90% of your local competitors, most of whom haven't touched their listing in years. And third, the free tools that can replace every expensive SEO software you've ever been sold. I help local business owners rank in the top 3 on Google Maps. I just helped a client double their leads doing exactly this. No agency, no ad spend, no tools they had to pay for. Just the right moves in the right order. Here's what nobody tells you when you start trying to rank on Google Maps. Everyone around you is working hard. They're paying agencies, buying tools, running ads, doing what they were told to do, and they're still not in the top 3. But the businesses that are in the top 3, they're not doing more than you. They're not spending more than you. They just know something you don't. A shortcut that was never explained to them as a shortcut. It's just the way the game actually works. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. So here's the shortcut. Google uses exactly 3 factors to decide who ranks in the top 3 on Google Maps. Just 3. And when you know what they are, everything else starts to make sense. The first one is relevance. This is how well your business matches what someone is actually searching for. So pull up your Google business profile right now. Look at your services list. If you're a plumber but you haven't listed water heater repair as a service, you are invisible to every single person searching for that, even if you fix water heaters every single day. Google doesn't know what it can't see. The second factor is distance. Google measures from your business address to where it thinks the person is searching from. Now you can't move your building, hike up. But you can expand the area where you rank well by building trust with Google. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a minute. The third factor is prominence. How established and trusted is your business online? Most people think this just means reviews. Reviews matter, but they're only part of it. Google looks at everything. Your website structure, your business listings across the internet, how consistent your information is everywhere it appears. All of it feeds into prominence. Your website structure, your business listings across the internet, how consistent your information is everywhere it appears. All of it feeds into prominence. Now here's what makes local SEO so much easier than regular SEO. You don't need to beat Amazon. You just need to beat the other businesses in your area doing the same thing you do. And most of them aren't getting the basics right, which means this is more of an opportunity than you probably realize. So let's start with the highest leverage thing you can do right now for free, your Google Business Profile categories. This is where most businesses are leaving the most money on the table and they don't even know it. Most businesses I look at have 1, maybe 2 categories filled out. That's like entering a race and only running the first quarter mile. Google gives you 10 category slots, 10 different ways to show up in searches, and most business owners are using 2 of them. Pull up your Google Business Profile right now and go to your categories. How many do you have? Drop your number in the comments right now. I'm curious where most people are starting from. If it's less than 5, you are leaving money on the table every single day. And when you're choosing your secondary categories, don't just pick the obvious ones. Think about every single service you offer. If you're a plumber, adding categories like emergency plumber and water heater installer puts you directly in front of customers searching specifically for those services right now. Now, once your categories are dialed in, your services list is next. And here's a 5-minute hack that most people completely overlook. Grab your phone and search for what you do in your city. Look at the top 3 businesses showing up in Google Maps. Click on each one and write down every single service they have listed on their profile. Then add those same services to your profile, word for word, if you actually provide that service. Why? Because Google already ranks them for those services. What you're doing is telling Google, hey, I do exactly those things too. You're speaking Google's language using words it already trusts. Now that your profile is telling Google exactly what you do, you need to show Google that you're active. And this is where most business owners do nothing, which means this is where you can pull ahead fast. Here's a simple 3-part posting system. First, make a list of your top 5 services. Then grab your phone and record a 30-second tip about each one. Post those videos directly to your Google Business Profile with a simple caption like, quick tip about the problem you solve. Do this once a week in your GBP post section. That's it. You're not making Hollywood productions here. 30 seconds, your phone, one tip, done. Google sees an active listing and rewards it. Customers see a business that actually shows up and trust it. Now let's talk about reviews, because everyone knows reviews matter. But almost nobody has a system for actually getting them. And without a system, you're just hoping your happy customers remember to leave one. They won't. Not because they don't want to, just because life gets in the way. Text your happy customers from your personal phone. No fancy software, no automation, no expensive review request platform, just your phone. And send them this. Hey, thanks for choosing us. Could you leave me a quick review? Then paste your Google review link right underneath it. I've tested dozens of review request messages, and this one works because it's personal, it's specific, and it's easy. Your customer already knows you. They probably have your name saved in their phone. So when you send that text, within 24 hours of finishing the job, the response rate is huge. The timing matters. Strike, while the experience is fresh and they're still happy you showed up. Now your business description is next, and this one takes about 2 minutes if you use free AI tools. Open up ChatGPT or Claude. The free version works perfectly. And type this exact prompt. Write a Google Business Profile description for, and then fill in your business name. Include year founded, main services, and service area. Keep it under 750 characters. Fill in your details, paste in what the AI gives you, and you're done. Clean, optimized, under the character limit, 2 minutes. Now your Google Business Profile is in good shape, but here's the thing, your GBP and your website need to work together. And right now, for most local businesses, they don't. They're speaking two completely different languages to Google, and that disconnect is costing you rankings. So let me show you exactly how to fix it. Open your website in another tab right now, and look at your home page. Title tag. This is the text that shows up at the very top of your browser window and in Google search results. If it says home or just your business name, you are wasting every single bit of trust Google has given your website. And I've analyzed over 100 local business websites focusing on this exact issue. 82% of them had homepage title tags that didn't match their Google Business Profile categories. Not one of those businesses was in the top 3. Not one. Here's how to fix it. Change your homepage title tag to your main Google Business Profile category plus your city. If you're a plumber in Houston, your title tag should say Plumber Houston, your business name. That's it. Not fancy, not creative, just exactly what you are and exactly where you are. This tells Google that this website and this Google Business Profile belong to each other. That connection is what moves the needle. Now the content on your homepage matters just as much. Remember all those categories you just added to your GBP? You need a section on your homepage for every single one of them, but don't just list them. Write a paragraph about each category using the exact same words you use in your GBP. If your Google Business Profile lists water heater installation as a service, your homepage needs a section that says exactly that. Water heater installation, not hot water solutions, not heater services. The exact same words. Google is looking for that match, and when it finds it, it rewards it. And if you don't want to write all of that content yourself, the free version of ChatGPT or Claude will do a great job. Just tell the AI, rewrite my homepage content. Include sections about these GBP categories. List them out, match the exact language from my Google Business Profile. Write for this city. Copy your current homepage content, paste it in, and let the free AI tools do the heavy lifting. Now 3 more things your homepage needs, and these are fast. First, embed your Google Maps listing directly on your homepage. Easy to do, takes 5 minutes, and it reinforces to Google exactly where your business is located, which feeds directly into that distance factor we talked about earlier. Second, add your Google reviews to your homepage, social proof on the page that Google is already evaluating. That's a win for your rankings and a win for every potential customer who lands on your site. Third, and this is the one most people completely miss, add local business schema to your homepage. Stick with me here because this sounds technical and it genuinely isn't. This takes about 2 minutes. Schema is just a small piece of code that tells Google exactly what your business does and where you're located. And here's the 2-minute shortcut. Open the free version of ChatGPT or Claude and type. Write local business schema for Ceylan, and then your business type in your city. Then give the AI your business name, address, phone number, hours, and anything else it asks for. Grab the code it gives you, but don't paste it on your site yet. First, go to the Google Schema testing tool and paste the code in there. If Google flags any errors or warnings, go back to the AI and say, fix these errors and warnings in my schema, then paste in the errors along with the original code. Once it comes back clean, no errors, no warnings, add it to your homepage header. If you're not sure how to edit your header, post a quick job on Upwork. Someone will have it done for you within a day for next to nothing. And when that schema is live, Google knows exactly what your business is, exactly what it does, and exactly where it serves customers. That's prominence. That's the third ranking factor locked in. But here's what I want you to understand. Everything we just covered, your GBP, your homepage, your schema, that's your foundation. And a strong foundation is what gets you into the top 3. But if you want to dominate local search across your entire service area, not just for one keyword, not just in one part of town, your entire website structure needs to work together. And that's exactly what I'm covering in the next video. I'm going to show you the exact website structure template we use at my agency, the same one that's helping local businesses rank across their whole service area. My actual page layout, content templates, and the simple formatting moves that make Google treat your site like the most relevant result in your area. Click here to watch it now. And if this video helped you at all, hit like and subscribe. I put out new videos every week on how to rank your business on Google Maps and get more leads without paying for ads. And comment MAPS below, and I'll send you the doc that covers how to get AI to recommend your business and how to rank in the top 3 on Google Maps. I'll see you in the next one.